Ngayon naman ay gagabayan ko kayo kung paano sagutin ang Activity 2 entitled Why Position Matters. For Activity number 2 direction, using the information given, solve for the following. The following are the monthly salaries of 14 employees in peso: 28,000, 30,000, 24,000, 22,000, 28,000, 20,000, 24,000, 28,000, 35,000, 25,000, 22,000, 27,000, 32,000, and 24,000. What is the lowest salary being received by an employee? How about the highest salary? What is the range of the given data? How about the median? So first step is to arrange the data in ascending order. So as given, it has been arranged from the least to greatest. From the first question, what is the lowest salary being received by an employee? And the lowest salary is 20,000. How about the highest salary? It is 35,000. What is the range of the given data? Range is equal to the difference of the highest value and the lowest value. So to find the range, simply subtract the highest value, that is 35,000, and the lowest value, 20,000. And that will represent your range, 15,000. How about the median? Knowing that there are 14 number of observation, simply find the center position, that is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Replace n by 14 plus 1, so we have 15 divided by 2, and your center is located at the 7.5th position. That is between the 7th value, or the 7th data, 25,000, and the 8th data, 27,000. So just find the average of the two. 25,000 plus 27,000 divided by 2, that is 52,000 divided by 2, and your median now is equal to 26,000. Example number 2. Find x if 12, 14, x minus 2, x plus 4, 20, 23 are in order, and their median is 17. From the given set of data is already in ascending order. So just count the number of observation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that will represent your n, equal to 6. Locate the center by using the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 divided by 2, and your center is located at the 3.5th position, or that is between the third and the fourth data. Knowing that your median is 17, we can use the formula for median, that is equal to the third data plus the fourth data divided by 2. Since median is located in this position. So by substitution, replace third by x minus 2, fourth by x plus 4. Apply multiplication property of equality, or multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So 2 times 7, that is 34, equal to x minus 2 plus x plus 4. Since we will cancel both 2 from numerator and denominator. Combine similar terms. That is now equal to 34 equal to 2x plus 2. apply subtraction property of equality, or we're going to supply both sides or subtract both sides of the equation by -2. And that is 32 equal to 2x. Applying symmetric property, we can rewrite this as 2x equal to 32. Applying division property of equality, or dividing both sides by 2, then we have now the value of x equal to 16. So if we're going to replace x by 16, 16 minus 2, 14, and 16 plus 4, 20. And this data will represent your third and fourth data. And if we're going to add 14 plus 20, that is equal to 34, divided by 2, it will result to 17. That is your median. Ngayon naman ay gagabayan ko kayo kung paano sagutin ang Activity 3 entitled Quartile. For Activity 3 direction, find the first quartile, Q1, the second quartile, Q2, and the third quartile, Q3 for each of the given data. Example number 1, given the set of data 12, 22, 5, 53, 15, 7, 36, 42, 25, 30, and 14. Solve for the Q1, Q2, and Q3. First is to arrange the given data in ascending order, from least to greatest, starting from 5 to 53. After arranging the data, we are now able to solve for the value of first quartile, the Q1, or also known as the lower quartile. Using for the formula for the position for quartile 1, that is Q1 equal to 1/4 times the quantity of n plus 1. Take note with the number of observation, that is equal to 11. So replace n by 11. That is now equal to Q1 equal to 1/4 times 12. Multiply, so we have now 12 divided by 4, and your Q1 is located at the third data. 1, 2, 3. Mean to say, the value of your quartile 1 is equal to 12. This time, let's solve the value of the second quartile, Q2, or also known as the median, using the same value of observation, which is 11. Applying the formula for position, for quartile 2, that is Q2, equal to 2/4 times the quantity of n plus 1. Replacing n by 11, that is equal to 1/2 of 12, since we simplified 2/4 into 1/2. That is equal to 12 divided by 2. Then your second quartile is located at the sixth data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sixth data value. Mean to say, this is the value of your quartile 2, which is 22. For the third quartile, Q3, or also known as the upper quartile, we're going to use the formula in finding the position for quartile 3, that is 3/4 times the quantity of n plus 1. Again, replacing n by 11, simplify, that is equal to 3/4 times 12, multiply 3 by 12, which is 36 divided by 4. Then your quartile 3 is located at the ninth data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your ninth data, means your quartile 3 has a value of 36. For example number 2, the scores of Miss Universe candidates from 7 judges were recorded as follows: 8.45, 9.25, 8.55, 9.25, 8.67, 8.95, and 9.18. First is we're going to arrange the data values in ascending order. Starting from the least value, that is 8.45, followed by 8.55, 8.67, 8.95, 9.18, 9.25, and 9.25. After arranging the data values in ascending order, we can now move on in solving for the first quartile, using the value of n, which is 7. Applying the formula for finding the position of Q1, that is 1/4 times n plus 1. Replacing n by 7, so we have now 1/4 times 8, that is 8 divided by 4. Then your quartile 1 is located at the second position, or it is in the second data, which is 8.55, your quartile 1. For the second quartile, Q2, or the median, using the same value of n, which is 7, we're going to apply the formula for position for Q2. That is 2/4 times n plus 1. We can simplify 2/4 into 1/2, then simplify 7 plus 1, that is 8. So we have now 8 divided by 2, and your quartile 2 is located at the fourth data. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will represent your quartile 2 value, that is 8.95. Let's now solve for the third quartile, Q3, or the upper quartile. Using the formula for position, for third quartile, that is Q3 equal to 3/4 times the quantity of n plus 1. Replacing n by 7, that is equal to the 3/4 of 8, multiplying 3 by 8. So we have 24 divided by 4. And we have, for your quartile 3 position, it is located in the sixth data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this will represent your quartile 3, which is 9.25. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction.